Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to renew your Florida driver's license online. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so before we start, there is some eligibility criteria. So you need a Florida driver's license, Class E, are valid for 8 years for drivers under 80 and 6 years for those age 80 or older. You may renew online up to 18 months before the expiration date. Online renewal is available only every other cycle. If your last renewal was online, your next one must be in person. You must not be renewing a commercial driver's license or applying for your first license, and you must be a US citizen or permanent resident. You should have no outstanding suspensions, hold unresolved issues like unpaid tickets or child support. Now, if you want to do this online, so the online renewal process is via My DMV portal. So now once you're here, we want to go ahead and log into My DMV portal with your username and password. And then once you're logged in, you want to select the renew driver's license option or renew ID if applicable. Provide your license number, date of birth, SSN, and any required security info. Review eligibility and confirm that you're qualified to renew online. Pay the $48 renewal fee plus a $2 convenience processing fee for online service. If your license is expired, add an additional $15 late fee may apply. Enter your email address and choose send email confirmation to receive a receipt, then complete the transaction. Now, after you renew, your new driver's license should arrive by mail within 2 to 3 weeks. Some sources say 7 to 10 business days, so keep that in mind. Also, keep your old license and the confirmation email until you receive your new one. A $2 processing fee applies to online renewals.